Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reshape parts of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, and after that press on reshape down below, and you can just select where you want to reshape it. You can just simply press on it, and you can just reshape it with your finger, and you can also manage the reshape aura here, basically how big the reshape is going to be. And as you can see, I just reshaped some parts of the picture. Now it looks even more goofier than beforehand, but yeah, you can reshape it if you want to. Maybe there are better picture examples for reshape. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.